Hello everyone, I am so excited for this moment right now. This package right here arrived today. Look at that. It says there's a battery in there. So we gotta be careful, but there is a battery and I am so excited right now. I got the new Samsung Galaxy S20. This arrived at work today and it took every ounce of self-control not to open this without you. But I'm gonna open it with you right here. Let's angle that down a little bit. You don't wanna see my face that much. So we'll pop open our box here. I'm hoping this is the right side up. Come on, right through. We got some bubbles. Bubbles! Paperwork. More bubbles. And you can kind of see it, there's the box. The box, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The S20 Ultra unboxing. Let's see if we can get a thumbnail real quick. Oh yeah, it came with a little adapter. Okay, all right, let's get down to brass tacks here. It smells like a box. Cutting that seal right there. I'm so excited. Oh, hold on. Let me pull out my current phone for you guys here. Take it out of the case so you can compare. So this is the Ultra. And this is the 9 Plus. Let's pull her out. Let's see, there's a little tab at the bottom. Wow, that is big. That feels big in the hand. So this is our size difference. We got the Ultra versus the 9 Plus. They physically are, this is definitely, you can feel the difference. It's thicker. It's definitely thicker. I don't know if you can see that difference, how thick it is, but it's definitely thicker. Wow, that camera bump is, I want to use the word outstanding, but it's just really big. It is, it's definitely there. There is no mistaking that camera bump right there. Okay, but the big difference here is going to be our screen to body ratio. This has black bars across the top and bottom, but this has nothing but a hole punch out in the center. All right, you guys ready for this? Ooh, nice and quiet and smooth. There's like a hole in the center for some reason where it didn't have a plastic protector, but whatever. And I think it came with a screen protector on it. I'm gonna leave that there. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So unlike the 9, the 20 no longer has the Bixby button. Everything's now on this side here where the power button was. Here we go. I'm so excited, you guys. No headphone jack anymore. Oh look, another little piece to peel off while we're loading.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Stand by 1 second. Not a lot of noise out of that guy. That's okay. Is there one up top too? Looks like there is.
To turn on accessibility mode, continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
I'm sorry. We're not going to accessibility mode. All right. Let's go.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you
She's
read and
talking to
agree
me.
these,
Isn't that
you can
kind? We can cut that out. Well, that's doing updates and things. Let's continue down in this box here. So we got a nice card or something, I guess. Ooh, a QR code for something. Don't know what that is. Should probably not show you guys that. Got our quick charger. So this is the Ultra, so it comes with a 25 watt charger. I don't know if they all do, but pretty sure this is the 25 watt. Where does it even say that stuff? This is just stuff I've heard on the internet. You're all hearing it secondhand. But this is super fast charging, it says right there. Can you see that? And then we have a series of tiny little boxes. This one looks like it's just a placeholder. Let's double check. Yep, nothing in that one. Just to keep spacing. And we have this box, which is a push out, and this has our USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Bam, we're looking at what, 4 feet? Okay, that's workable, right? It's not the best. And then our next one here is our headphones. I am a big fan of Samsung's headphones. When the S9 launched, it came with these AKG headphones. Fantastic. However, my biggest disappointment is headphone jack has finally died. We got a USB connect for these headphones. And then I dropped something here. We got a whole row of different tips for different sizes, so if you need one that's the right size for you, you got that there. Back to the phone here. We're gonna copy apps and data. Okay, next. Use your old device, next. We're gonna find out how well Smart Switch works. Let's see if we can do the wireless version. Hey, they found each other. Oh wow, that was easy. They just found each other and then decided to switch. While it's copying, I can set up my face recognition and everything. All right guys, while it's doing the phone to phone transfer, which is pretty neat, it even gives me a countdown. I got another 5 minutes left. I was like, wait a minute, I still gotta switch out my SIM card. And among all of these little things, I didn't find the SIM card tool. And so I then grabbed the lid of the box and looked, and there's a little surprise inside there. So you got a little tab here. Reach in and grab that guy out. And bam! There's our SIM card tool. Jeez Louise, is there anything in here? Looks like we got a manual on the other side. Let's open it from over here. Destructions, Galaxy, Samsung Care, and all the other great stuff. But all I'm really here for is this little itty bitty SIM card tool. If I can get that dang thing out. Yeah. It's okay, I got it. Bam! Got our SIM card tool. All right. Once that switch is done, I'm gonna go ahead and try and switch out our SIM cards and see if we're ready to go, see if it transferred all the apps like we wanted it to. That's something I'm a little bit iffy about, is if it actually is gonna transfer the apps and everything, or if it's just gonna transfer data. It says it's gonna transfer the apps. I hope it transfers the apps, because if I have to re-download every app and go through, like, I had to do it on my last phone when I got my S9. You can go back and watch the video of me doing that there. But when I got the new S9, I upgraded. I do it every 2 years here, and it was very much needed on this one. My S9 was kicking the bucket. The battery had 0 life left. The the charging port worked about half the time. It was pretty loose. I jammed it. It's my fault, I'll take that one. However, it was time to get a new phone, so I went with the one with the biggest battery, hoping that it can be efficient too. I know that it can do 120 hertz and all the other fun cool stuff, but I'll probably keep it at 60, keep things on the BL or whatever you want to call that. But as I was saying, last phone I had to switch every app, and I just went through my apps and just one by one, okay, I need this one, I need this one, I need this one, I need this one. That's one of the nice things about Samsung, is when you're trading in your phone, they give you a week to transfer everything over, make sure you didn't forget anything, miss anything. You know, if you have this one folder that's somewhere that it somehow missed, you can go and grab that password logbook or whatever it might be, and then transfer it over. So I will see, we'll be back once we get the transfer done. And bam, it transferred everything. That worked so seamless. I am so happy with that. Okay, so it transferred even my background. Like, let's go to our lock screen here. Got my lock screen like perfect. It got all of the apps. It transferred everything. Granted, it didn't log me into everything, but it's fantastic. I got my fingerprint registered. I got my face registered. It's great. I hope. I've heard back and forth about the security of the face unlock. I'm okay with it. But if you do have a lot of like very sensitive information that you are keeping secured on your phone, maybe don't. That's for you to decide, to research, figure it out on your own. However, this is a big old phone. And I don't claim to be the most, what's the word? Coordinated of people. And so before I even got this, I got a case on Amazon. I found this case here. It's by Veritech. And I don't like a super bulky case, but I also don't want like a super slim case. Like, that's not quite my style. So hopefully this actually fits. It does perfectly. Nice. There we go. So it comes with protective film. I didn't take it off. I should probably take that off. Let's see if we can get some ASMR going on here. Listen carefully. Did I get some here? Did you get it? It looks like there's another one on the inside. Let's pop this guy back out here. Get the one on the inside here. What'd you think? Did I do okay? Did I make the Marquez proud? Wow. That right there is a fingerprint magnet. Holy cow. Alright, let's see. How bad is the bulge now that I have a case on it? It looks like that might be flush. Yeah, it's perfectly flush. There you go. If you're looking for a case that works out perfectly flush, the Veritech protection case works great. It feels good. It's got good grip on the sides here. You can kind of see some traction-y looking stuff going on there. I don't know how well you can see that or not, but there is some stuff going on here. I went with this one. There's a few other ones. There's some ones that have texture across here. I actually bought that one as well, but I actually plan on having a pop socket on here, so that will not work, essentially. Yeah, it doesn't make sense to have a pop socket or to have a rough texture if there's a pop socket there. So this is perfect. The power button works. I'm super excited. I just need to find me a 45 watt super duper charger. But for now, I have the 25 watt super power charger. What did it say? Had to plug in my old phone because its battery wasn't gonna make it on the transfer. Super fast charging charger. That's pretty cool. I'm excited to test this out. If you have questions about my experience, what I think of it, let me know. Yeah, this all went surprisingly seamless. I don't even know what to tell you. I guess I gotta check out the sound on this, right? Let's go ahead and check out our sound here. Let's go to our YouTube app. All right, let's go ahead and find one of my videos here.
Hi, I'm Grant, and I'm an Uber driver.
Oh, it's got all the pop-ups.
I've been driving for about 3 years now, and well, driving for Uber as well as Lyft for 3 years.
Okay.
I started with Lyft a little over a year ago, and
that's some speak up over it sound level right there. I'm impressed.
Some interesting stories.
Let's turn it back down a bit. Nice. I'm impressed. I'm happy. I'm excited. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Wow. I'm impressed. Look how much more real estate we're talking about here. Like, it's a noticeable difference in our real estate we're working with. That's gonna be so good. Have a great day. Hey you guys, I totally forgot the camera, the part that everyone really loves. So I'm gonna tell you real quick, we're gonna just do a quick couple of shots of what this camera can do with the work behind me. I have you on a tripod, so we're gonna try to keep it as stable as possible, but this is the standard 1080 at 30 frames per second. So let's go ahead and switch over to the 60 and we'll see what that looks like. This is 60 frames a second at the standard 1080p. Does it look any better? It's up to you. Let's go ahead and check out the next one. And this is a standard 4K at 30 frames a second. Can you tell the difference? Does it look better? Do I look sharper? I don't know. Does YouTube even carry over this kind of quality? I'm gonna upload this as best quality as I can. This camera does do 8K, so we're gonna go all the way up. So next one is 60 frames at 4K. And this is 60 frames a second at 4K. I don't know, is it silkier, smoother? Does it look better? Let me know what you guys think. I have no idea. We'll have to see in the edit. And this is 8K at 24 frames per second. That is the best this camera can do. I hope it looks amazing, extra crispy. You can see me and everything around, I don't know, but it's an 8K. So how does it look? Do I look okay? Am I in focus? I don't even know. So next up is our pictures. We're gonna start with the full wide angle photo and then narrow all the way down to our 100x space zoom. I got it zoomed in on the mountaintop over there. Hopefully you can see it and it looks amazing. I'm gonna show it to you. You'll see what the quality is actually coming out of this guy. Here we go. Starting with our wide angle. Zooming in at standard. And zooming in more. 10 times. This is 30 times. And now for the 100x zoom. Okay, I haven't had a chance to look at this on my computer yet, but let me know what you think. Is it worth it? The Galaxy S20 Ultra. I just really wanted it for the big battery and all the processing power, but the camera is a feature that everyone is really excited about.